Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix P07 error on Canon Pixma devices. The device I have here is G3411 model. This error appears on a lot of devices. You can find them in the description below. So, first, power off the printer. Then, press and hold the power button. Then press the stop button 5 times. Press and hold, then 5 times, and release. The printer will get in the service mode. Now we have to wait for the green light to become stable. As you see, it is stable now. Now we have to press the following buttons. 4 times the stop button. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1 time the power button. Then 3 times the stop button. 1, 2, 3. Then 1 time the power button. Then 5 times stop button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1 time the power button. Now we are waiting for the printer. The printer will print a blank page. As you see, maybe we have to perform a print head cleaning after that. Now power off the printer. Power on the printer. And this means that we have to do ink flushing. Just press the copy button. Now we got the P08 error. Power off the printer. Power on the printer. Now we will print a nozzle check. If you still got the P08 error, you know how to flush. In the service menu, on number 10, press the copy button. So that's it. We don't have here anymore this error, so we are great. Thank you very much. Good luck.